Hello everyone, welcome to Samasto YouTube channel.
Today we are going to learn MS Excel, another tutorial. Now select table. Change alignment is your choice. I do center. Calculate the value. It's very easy. Write equals in value cell. Then click quantity cell, multiply, click rate cell.
Enter.
Click cell, and click the fill handle button of the cell. Then drag to the next cell. Apply style to the database table. By default, so many styles available in style box. Choose which one you want. Here I apply heading 1 style. Again, select data, and choose a style. You can create a custom style of your choice. Select data cell. Go to the new cell style option. Write style name in short which you want to create, then click format. Type custom number format. Alignment, font, border, fill color.
Okay.
These format has been added.
Okay.
Now select values, and choose the style you created. Apply same style to the rate numbers. You can edit the style whenever need. Simply right-click on style name, and click Modify, Format. Then change as your choice.
Okay.
Select product name field, go Insert option, click Insert Cell. Let's see how to insert cell. Shift cells right.
Okay.
Here cell is appear, and the other cells have moved to the right. Undo. Shift cells down.
Okay.
This is created. Undo. Entire row.
Okay.
Undo. Entire column.
Okay.
Undo. Now insert sheet rows. Undo. Insert sheet columns. Undo. Insert sheet. These 3 options have been taught in previous tutorial. Exact same process for delete cell, row, column. Let's see. Shift cells left. Shift cells up. Entire row. Entire column. Delete sheet rows. Delete sheet columns. Go to sheet 1. Delete sheet. Now sheet 1 deleted. Go to the format option, and click row height. You saw this option in the previous tutorial. Put a number, then click OK. Otherwise, click AutoFit row height option. Go to column width option. Put a number, then click OK. Or, click AutoFit column width option. You can change the default column width from here. Here is the option to hide or unhide rows, columns and sheets. Let's see. The selected row is hidden. Now hide the selected column. Column is hidden. To unhide rows, select those rows in between row hidden and go unhide rows option. To unhide columns, select those columns in between columns are hidden, and go unhide columns option. Click hide sheet option. Then the sheet is hidden. To unhide the sheet, click here, select sheet name.
Okay.
Otherwise, use this short process. This process was also taught in the previous tutorial. The link is in the description. To rename sheet, click here, write sheet name. Complete sheet name by click any cell. Here is the move or copy sheet option. Easily you can move or copy the sheet between this workbook. You can change the sheet color by this option. This is protect sheet option. You can protect the sheet by password, then the sheet cannot be edited. Not allowing editing. Now unprotect sheet, type password.
Okay.
Now allowing editing. Here is an option to edit specific cells after protecting the sheet. First, lock cell, then protect sheet by password. Other cell protected, but lock cell editable. Now on protect sheet, type password.
OK.
Here is the format cells option. You know about this option earlier. Select all quantity numbers, and go auto sum option. Click sum function. This function helps to calculate sum of the data value. You may check sum, count, and average by selecting data value in the status bar easily. Undo. Now check average function. Undo. Count numbers function. Undo. Maximum numbers function. Undo. Minimum numbers function. Undo. Let's see more easy process. Sum function. Undo. Average function. Undo. Count numbers function. Undo. Maximum numbers function. Undo. Minimum numbers function. Undo. More functions are available here. There are some differences in the commands. You can also insert function from here. Now check all fill options one by one. Down. Undo. Right. Undo. Undo. Up. Undo. Left. Undo. Write a sentence. Click Justify, and click OK. See that the text has been broken down into another cell. Now check Clear Formats options. Clear Contents options. Now create a comment on product rice. Write something. Click any cell. Comment done. If you want to edit this comment, then right-click on the comment cell and click Edit Comment. Also, there is a Delete Comment option if required. Now check the Clear Comments option. Type an email address. It's Create Hyperlink automatically. To remove hyperlink, click Email Typing cell. And click the Clear Hyperlinks option. Now select the field name and records of the database table. Click Sort Smallest to Largest. Click Sort Largest to Smallest. Or go Custom Sort option, and do the same. You can activate the filter option, then you can sort or filter the data easily. To remove the filter option, go to the filter option again. Now check the Find option, type text what you want to find. Then click Find Next. If the result is found, then Excel displays by selecting that cell. If you enable other options like Match Case, Excel will search by matching case.
Close.
Go to Replace option. Now find and replace text in cell or formula easily as your choice. Check these options. Click Find Next. Then click Replace All button.
OK. Close.
Click the Go To option and type cell name in the reference box, then OK. Here is also Go To Special option. Find formulas. Find comments by this option. Find conditional formatting applied cells by this option. No cell has conditional formatting. Create conditional formatting. Check Find conditional formatting. Yes, it's done. Click Constants option. This command helps to select the data in different cells of a sheet. Try again. It's magic. Find data validation. There is no data validation found. Click the Select Objects option. No object here. Turn off the Select Objects option. Click the Selection pane option, and find the comment or object present in the sheet. Easily show or hide the shapes from here. This is where today's video ends. I think this tutorial has taught you lots of options that will help you in your regular work.
If you like this video, please click on the like button. Also subscribe our YouTube channel. And click on bell icon for more updates. See you in the next tutorial.